Hi, my name is Sapireddy Srinivas Rahul, and my project title is Rock Identification using Deep Convolutional Neural Network. The tasks involved in this project are as follows: the data collection, data pre-processing, model building, and application building. In data collection, I have collected different types of rock images and created train and test folders. In data pre-processing, where I have used image data generator library, and in the model building I have built the actual CNN model and saved the model as a .h5 file, and in application building task I have created an HTML file and actually built a Python code. And as you can see the name, rock identification using deep convolutional neural network. This web app is used to identify rocks images. This project is actually very useful in the field of geology in to identify different types of rocks in an easy and effective manner. When we see the block diagram, here we can see the convolutional neural network. Then the input to the convolutional neural network are images of different types of rocks, and the output is classified or identified accordingly using a convolutional neural network. And then the software used here is as follows: Python and Flask web framework. And if you see the flow chart, the data is given to the convolutional neural network. Actually it is pre-trained model that we are using in the Flask web app, and the Flask web app is used to predict the output of the rock, actually the type of the rock. The results here show that the proposed approach based on deep learning represents an improvement in intelligent rock type identification and solves several difficulties facing the automated rock identification in the field. Here is the actual GitHub folder. We can see the three folders here: static, templates, and uploads. And I'll be telling what type of files are contained in this folder and the static folder. In the static folder we have CSS and JavaScript. These are used to decorate the web app. And then it also has the template folder which has the actual HTML page, and also the uploads folder which have the images which I have already have used to predict. And we also have app.py file, the actual app, and we also have model.h5 file which is used in app.py for the prediction. Actually my model.h5 file is pre-trained using convolutional neural network with different images, and here we are importing different libraries, and here we have home page and the predict page. Here we are predicting which type of rock image it is. The image which we are uploading into the web app are stored in the uploads folder, and we are predicting which type of rock we have uploaded into the web app. And now we see how to run the app. I go to command prompt, and I select the folder where my project is there. I go to that folder and I run python app.py, and here it is using TensorFlow as backend. And here you can see the app is running on port 5000. We copy the link and we go to the browser and paste the link. I'm sorry. We copy the link and we paste the link in the browser, and here you can see the app is up and running. Here I have given the name rock identification using convolutional neural network, and here it also shows to upload a rock image, and I'm choosing a rock image which is this image is actually a quartz, and I have selected the image. The image is shown in here, and we have to click here to predict which type of rock this image contains. When I click the button, it shows the predicted rock is quartz. This is my project about rock identification using deep convolutional neural network. Thank you.